Mast, and I'm going to show you how to properly load a dishwasher. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look in the dishwasher and see if there is any dishes in there that need to be unloaded. To find out if the dishes need to be unloaded, you're going to want to unload them. Each household is going to be different where you put your dishes, but that's the first step, is unloading the dishwasher. You take the bigger, heavier, and you put them in the bottom of the dishwasher. And once you have all the big, heavy dishes out of the way, you can put your lighter dishes, such as your cups and bowls, up at the top. And once you have all those put away, there's usually a special spot to put silverware. And what you want to do is make sure all of the silverware that is alike, such as make sure all of your spatulas, large spoons, or rubber scrapers are all together, and put them in a designated spot so that when you're going to unload the dishwasher later, you can make sure that they're all together and it's easier to put away. Then you can grab all your forks, spoons, and knives, separate them out individually into each different part, and put them in their own special spot. And any sharp steak knives or cutting knives you want to put separately so that whoever unloads the dishwasher won't get hurt. Next, what you're going to want to do is add dishwasher soap. And there's usually a special spot where you can put it right in the dishwasher. Fill it up to the top. Close it. And then we can shut the dishwasher and run it. Since we just have a normal amount of dishes in there, it's not really full, we can just press the normal button and it will start. And that's how you properly load a dishwasher.